Danger lurking on banana shipments. A spider that wanders, not weaves. A bite that can trigger intense pain, or rarely worse. These are the armed spiders, creatures of myth and reality. In this video, we'll explore 10 must-know facts about these formidable spiders. Get ready, you may never look at jungle nightfall the same way again. Fact 1. Armed spiders refers to Phenutria, famous wandering spiders. The common name armed spiders, in Portuguese, aranha armadeira, refers to spiders in the genus Phenutria. These spiders are also commonly called Brazilian wandering spiders or banana spiders, though banana spider can also apply to other species. They live primarily in tropical Central and South America, especially in forest habitats, but sometimes near human dwellings. Fact 2. They are active hunters, no trapping webs. Unlike many spiders that build silk webs to catch prey, Phenutria spiders are wanderers. They roam at night in search of prey rather than waiting in webs. This hunting style demands high agility, strong venom, and stealth. They hide during the day under logs, leaf litter, tree bark, or inside crevices. Fact 3. They are large, leg span and body size. Phenutria spiders are relatively big. The body, excluding legs, can measure from roughly 17 to 48 millimeters, and leg spans up to about 18 centimeters are reported in some species. They are robust, hairy spiders. Their legs often show contrasting bands or coloration, and the underside of the front legs can reveal bold patterns used in threat displays. The armed behavior is a defensive display. These spiders earned the name armed because of their defensive stance. When threatened, they raise their front legs high and expose their fangs and bold patterns on leg undersides. In some accounts, they sway side to side while in that posture to intimidate predators or threats. This posture is meant to warn intruders rather than attack immediately. Fact 5. Their venom is potent and acts on the nervous system. One of the defining features of Phenutria spiders is their powerful venom. Their venom contains a mixture of peptides and proteins that act as neurotoxins in mammals. In small animals and insects, the venom is used to immobilize prey. In larger animals, including humans, the venom may also have a defensive role. Symptoms in humans can include intense local pain, sweating, increased heart rate, changes in blood pressure, nausea, and in some rare cases, more serious systemic effects. Among the more dramatic reported effects is priapism, a prolonged painful erection in rare cases of envenomation by Phenutria nigriventer, which has led some researchers to investigate the venom's components for possible medical uses. Still, while their venom is potent, fatalities are extremely rare. Fact 6. Not all bites are dangerous. Severity varies. Though these spiders have a fearsome reputation, most human bites are mild or moderate, not life-threatening. In Brazil, for example, many envenomation cases are treated symptomatically, pain relief, supportive care. Only in severe cases is anti-venom used. Statistics show that severe systemic reactions occur in a small fraction of cases, and recorded fatalities over more than a century are very rare. Children and persons with compromised health are at higher risk of serious complications. Medical attention should always be sought after a suspicious bite, especially when symptoms worsen. Fact 7. They sometimes hide in banana shipments, also called banana spiders. One reason these spiders become famous, or infamous, is their association with banana shipments. Because they can hide in benches of bananas, sometimes they are accidentally transported to non-native regions. This has led to occasional scares in places far from their native range. But many alleged specimens are misidentifications of less dangerous spiders. Thus, while banana shipment transport is real, it is not rampant, And most spider in banana box stories are cases of harmless spiders or exaggerated claims. Fact 8. Their name has dramatic origin. Phenutria means murderous or murderer. The genus name Phenutria is derived from Greek, meaning murderous or murderer. That dramatic naming reflects early human perceptions and fears of these spiders. It underscores how humans often assign names based on danger, not biology. Fact 9. Their venom has medical research potential. Despite their danger, Phenutria venom is of interest to scientists because of its biologically active peptides. Researchers are exploring components of the venom for possible therapeutic applications. For example, using specific peptides in neurology, drug design, or in studying ion channels. One particular peptide, from P. nigriventer, has drawn attention for its link to erectile response, the priapism effect, and potential to inform treatments. Thus, these spiders are not simply dangerous, they are also biologically fascinating. Fact 10. Their range, habitat, and human encounter risk. Phenutria species are native to forested tropical zones in Central and South America. Some species are tolerant to human-adjacent habitats. They may shelter near homes, in woodpiles, under debris, or within stored goods, increasing potential human encounters. Because they roam rather than stay fixed, they may wander into buildings. Thus, caution is advised in areas within their native range, especially in rural or plantation zones. Still, outside of their natural zones, they rarely establish self-sustaining populations. Their accidental import is exceptional rather than common. Although most viewers will never encounter a live Phenutria spider, here are a few precautionary tips if you're in a region where they dwell. Don't provoke or handle unknown spiders. Many bites occur when someone disturbs or picks them up. Shake out shoes, clothing, or gloves before wearing them, particularly if stored in humid or dark areas. Store produce carefully, especially bananas or crates, and inspect boxes in tropical zones. Seal gaps, cracks, and hiding spots in walls or storerooms to reduce chance of spiders entering dwellings. Seek prompt medical attention for any suspicious bite with worsening symptoms. Also, educating local populations about what these spiders look like and how they behave can reduce panic and ensure that actual dangerous species are distinguished from harmless ones. Armed spiders are far more than Instagram horror fodder. They are bold hunters, venom chemists, and nature's paradox, feared yet fascinating. We've covered their range, behavior, venom, human risk, and even their potential in medical science. If this video made you see spiders differently, maybe with a mix of respect and caution, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into extraordinary animals. Drop a comment. Have you ever heard of these spiders before? Or encountered any dramatic spider story? I'd love to hear it. Stay curious, stay cautious, and thanks for watching.